Judge Robert Colville has denied the defense request to exhume the body of Randall Bowers, the father of synagogue gunman Robert Bowers, to determine the paternity of the defendant.
The defense has maintained Bowers' father passed on his mental illness to his son. But again, the prosecution has raised doubts that Randall Bowers is the biological dad. Andy Sheehan has been at the federal courthouse all day and has the latest now on the ruling.
Well, it was an extraordinary request, and it would have extended an already lengthy trial, which is now in its 32nd day. The judge rejected the motion, calling it untimely. In this, the final sentencing phase of the trial, the defense has presented mental health experts who've testified Robert Bowers genetically inherited the family history of schizophrenia and should not be sentenced to execution. They testified Bowers' father, Randall Bowers, who killed himself in 1979, had been diagnosed with schizophrenia and passed it on to his son. But since the prosecution has cited evidence that Randall Bowers may not be the defendant's biological father, the defense this week asked the judge to exhume Randall Bowers' body to prove that he was, quote, considering that evidence Mr. Robert Bowers is a person with schizophrenia is a key part of his defense, the interest of justice support ordering the exhumation of Randall Bowers' body to confirm the paternity for Robert Bowers. Earlier in the week, the prosecution raised doubts about that paternity, noting that Bowers' mother had told the defense team she herself was, quote, not positive Dell was the father and that there were other men in my life at that time. But in objecting to the motion, the government said it would unnecessarily throw a wrench in the trial. Quote, first, the issue of the defendant's paternity is tangential and not central to the issues in this case. Second, the motion is completely untimely and threatens delay and distraction from the pressing issues in the trial. In ruling against the motion, the judge also called it untimely, saying the defense should have been aware paternity was an issue, quote, at a much earlier juncture so as to avoid confronting the court with a motion for extraordinary relief it now seeks 31 days into the trial. Well, testimony continued today from defense mental health experts who continue to testify about Robert Bowers' deep psychological problems. The government just as aggressively trying to poke holes in that testimony. Reporting at the U.S. Courthouse downtown, Andy Sheehan, KDKA News.